everyone, it's Gillian, and with Easter right around the corner, I thought it would be so much fun to create an Easter-inspired slime. So this is the one that I came up with. It's this really beautiful cloud cream, like tri-colored slime that's so beautiful, and I called it Excited for Easter. I thought that was a super cute name, and I am so obsessed with the colors in it. It's just so beautiful to look at. And again, reminding you guys about my Instagram giveaway. We are getting to the end of it. It is so close. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to create these amazing slimes to give away to one person. So if you would like to enter the giveaway, go over to my Instagram, which is @Gillian_Bauer, and then you can enter it. So I think it's time that we jump into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is a bowl, and then to this bowl we are going to need to add some PVA school glue. So I just added a bottle of glue. Now it's time to color the slime, and as you probably saw in the intro, this slime has 3 different colors, but the first one I'm going to be creating is this really pretty bright pink one, and I just went for that really pretty Easter pink color, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. And then it's time to activate our slime, and the activator that I use is half a teaspoon of borax mixed with 1 cup of water, and then just add a little bit of activator at a time until it starts to form slime. And because we're going to be using instant snow today, you can over activate your slime a little bit and it'll still work because the instant snow will melt our slime a little bit. So I always like to over activate it just a little bit. So like I said, we're going to be using instant snow today because we're going for that amazing cloud cream texture. So I just add a teaspoon at a time, and I think in total I used 3 teaspoons for this slime. So I just mix it in really well, and sometimes it looks like it's not going to mix in, but just keep working it and then eventually it will mix in. Now because we're using instant snow, sometimes it melts like you can see here. It's just becoming so sticky and hard to work with, so just add a little bit more activator and mix it in, and then go back to adding your instant snow powder. So what you're going for is this amazing dough texture. I love the texture of cloud creams so much. They're my new favorite slime, and I was so excited to be creating 3 awesome colors of cloud cream today. So now that we have made the pink one, I just set that aside, and now I'm going to be making the next color, and I went for a really fun, bright Easter yellow color. So just following all the same steps to make this slime.
I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel your arms around me. I will give my love to you, but will I see you when I get there? I could travel.
And then the last slime that I'm going to be creating today is this really pretty bright green, and I love how this one turned out. I love this trio of colors so much. It totally gives me Easter vibes, and I'm just so obsessed with how beautiful it is. Oh my gosh, wait till we layer it. It's seriously so beautiful. I took like 100 pictures of this slime because it's probably my new favorite. So now we have our 3 cloud cream slimes, and now it's time to layer them. So I just took a container and I started by placing a little bit of the pink slime in the bottom, and then I placed some yellow and then the green on top. And then to top off this slime, I thought it would be fun to add some sprinkles. So I had these little adorable sprinkles that totally gave me Easter vibes. So I sprinkled some of these on top, and then I just added these little pastel macaron charms, which I thought would look so cute on top. And oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with this slime. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. It's so cute. This is my Excited for Easter slime. I love it so much, and I hope you did too. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun making it. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see new videos from me. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!